Welcome to BC Mnemonics. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Nocturnal. Now, this is a very interesting instrument as it's not a sundial and it's not an astrolabe. The Nocturnal uses the predictable movement of the celestial sphere and certain key reference stars in relation to the North Star to track the time. Now, because every star, including the Sun, appears to rotate around Polaris, which anchors the celestial sphere, with the date known, you can calculate time by tracking the positions of any given star. Nocturnals like this one often use Kocheb as the reference star, which is a star in Ursa Minor, although they can also use a star in either Cassiopeia or Ursa Major. Some nocturnals even include all three, allowing the operator to choose which reference star they'd like to use, although these two both feature Kocheb as the reference star. Now, the first step to using a nocturnal like this is to align the solar index with the sun's current position in the zodiac, or simply setting the date. So to do this, you slide the index until it matches the current date, which in today's case is June 7th. So seeing as though this scale uses increments of 2, I will set it to 10, 8, 6, 7 right there. At this point, the nocturnal is ready to be taken outside and read using the stars. Now, if I were to do this, I would ensure that the dial is kept level, holding the handle straight down toward the Earth, while I position Polaris through the center sighting hole. As I do this, I will rotate the index hand to Kocheb and view Kocheb through this hole, while also viewing Polaris through this hole. With both of these stars locked in place, I can consult the hour scale along the inner edge here. So if I were doing this right now, sighting both stars, Polaris through the middle and Kocheb through the side here, and I read the time here, I would see that it is currently the hour of 4 o'clock. Now, this second nocturnal is effectively the same. Effectively and practically, it contains the exact same information as this one, although on the reverse side, you have a tide computer. Now, the tide computer can also function as a moon dial or lunar volvel, allowing you to calculate solar time based on the shadow cast by the moon at night. This nocturnal also has a separate instrument on its reverse side. In this case, that is a universal altitude dial. Now, I'll cover this in a different video, but it's worth mentioning because nocturnals often contain different instruments on their reverse sides. That will conclude this practical explanation. I do hope you enjoyed.